before we get into the video, just a quick reminder, subscribe to the channel. Also, please do not skip the ads. And now that we have that covered, let's get into the video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Everything's Tay. This is day 5 of Vlogmas. As you can see, I have on my hat that we got in the other vlog, as well as the shirt with the pants. My family is ahead of me going up the hill right now. So we are in Spencer, North Carolina, and we are doing the Polar Express ride. It's me, my mom, 2 of my aunts, and then one of my younger cousins, Aiden. So this is going to be about an hour train ride. And Mom, are you excited? Okay, she's out of breath. Getting on this bridge. It's so pretty. Y'all want to take a picture up here? Cheese. Bite. Ooh, look at my s'mores, y'all. Look at my s'mores. It's coming out. I love s'mores. Look at my aunts and my mom.
They got one up in the mountain.
Hey y'all. They all matching.
How's everyone doing tonight? Good, I like your energy. Anybody like songs? Alright, so give it up for Billy and the Hero Girl.
I think of him when Christmas comes to town. So much fun when Christmas comes to town.
You guys, here comes the train.
All aboard! All aboard! Well, you coming? On the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express. Now, come along, we've got the same key. Now, suit yourself.
Wait!
Are you coming? Good. Now, who else here is going to the North Pole? Thank you.
Come on, up and on our left.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Go to the left.
There you are. Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, it feels good. So where do we sit then?
Oh, a ticket.
Yes. We're A36. Okay, I'll be a little bit. I mean, no.
Oh, look at the train.
A36. W35.
It's so pretty. Look at our golden ticket. What's it say? Round trip to the Polar Express. Coming with the hot chocolate. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Thank you. Oh, this is so good. It's good right here. It's good. Look, I'm about to get my mama's hot chocolate. Ooh, it's so good. Oh wow.
This is a magic train.
Tickets.
It's my favorite story. Can we read it?
Yeah, let's ask the passengers. Who would like to hear Ollie's favorite story? Well then, we proudly present to you The Polar Express by Chris Van Allsburg.
This really is my favorite story.
There you are.
Once
Thank
again,
you.
your attention please.
Ooh, a B.
Sit back,
And a
relax, follow along, and
B
enjoy
for
the story
believe.
of Polar Express.
Christmas. I knew that I could have any gift I could imagine. But the thing I wanted most for Christmas was not.
Yeah.
Whenever we say Santa,
Right. Okay. So I know Rudolph, Santa, not a very shiny nose. You wouldn't even say it glows. One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say.
Just so everyone knows, we are going to be getting off at the North Pole, but we won't be coming back on the train.
Have fun. Thank you. We're at the North Pole.
Believe.
What was that you said?
I believe.
What would you like for Christmas?
Me?
You. Yes.
What did he say?
Yes, indeed. The first gift of Christmas! Merry Christmas to everyone. Now let's get everyone back on board so that you can make it home in time for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all.
Well, that was fun, and now we're getting back on the Polar Express. Let me know if y'all loving this video, and if y'all have a Polar Express train ride near you, near your hometown. I think it's so worth it, and it's good for the kids. But that was so much fun, and now we're going to be on our way back. He's giving us our bells. On the hills we go, dancing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Our cart is hype.
Who do you want? Who wants to do it?
What do you want for this?
What's yours?
I don't know. That's a hard question. Let me see. Hold on. I know. I just bought a house. What do I want? I want a TV. I want a TV. I want a TV. Oh no, I want a camera. Never mind. I want a camera. Yeah. Yeah. Tell Santa I want a camera. Mama, I want a camera for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Oh, they had tables. Look at that. They had
They
tables.
have tables on in their cart. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Merry Christmas. Guys, it is so beautiful out here. It's a lot of cute places to take pictures. Well, you guys, we are off the train, and that was it for the Polar Express. It was so much fun. I highly recommend, if y'all have a Polar Express near you, that you come with your kids or your family, friends, and y'all just enjoy the ride. I'm big on Christmas. The Polar Express is one of my favorite movies. So of course I had to do it. But that is it. I think my people are waiting for me in the gift shop, so we're about to go in the gift shop. But that was it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a like and comment below, and also subscribe to the channel. This was Vlogmas number 5. So I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow.